video I'll be discussing Teams. Teams basically allows you to group and organize your users, and it's mainly used for record ownership, searching and reporting purposes. So firstly, make sure you're within the admin section and then select the option where it says Teams. Once you've done this, you'll notice that there's folders all labelled, and these are the teams, and if you select one of the teams, it has all of the users that are within that team. If you would like to edit a team, you simply select it, and to the right hand side you'll notice there's fields. The description is the name of the team. Default team is whether you'd like that team to be default or whether it's just an ordinary team, and team type is whether it's just for ownership purposes, just for reporting purposes, or whether it's for both. Once you're happy with that, it'll automatically update. And if you would like to edit any information regarding the user, you can select the user, and on here you're able to decide whether they're a manager or not. If you would like to create a new team, you just go to the top where it says new team or user, and then at the very top on the right hand side it says type. You can select team or user. In this case we'll do a team. The parent is basically the parent team, so we'll just select all users for now, and the description is the name, so we'll pop in here for now test, and whether or not you'd like to have it as default, and the team type again, ownership, reporting, and all. Once you're happy, you just select save team, and that will appear below. And it hasn't got an arrow yet because we have no users in there, so if you'd like to add users, you just select the team and then press where it says new team or user, and you leave it as user here, and then it will give you a drop down labeled user with all the users available, and in here you can pop in any of the following. So I'll just pop myself, and then you select save user, and you'll notice now that that team now has a user. Say for example you'd like to move this user to a different folder, you can select the user and say move team or user, and then you'd select the new team that you'd like to move this user to from the drop down that appears in the blue bar. So in this case let's just say it's demo user, and then once you're happy you press OK, and you'll notice now that the test folder has no users and I'm within the demo user folder. If for example you would like to move a team, so let's create another folder and add another user to this folder here. Okay, so if you wanted to move this team into this team, you simply select the team, press where it says move team or user, then select the drop down menu and select the team you'd like to move that team to, and then once you're happy you press OK, and you'll notice now that test has gone and test 2 is there, and when you select it the test team is now within the test 2 team. And to remove a user you just select the user and press delete team or user. It will give you a blue bar just to make sure that you would like to delete that user. If you are, you say yes, and this won't delete the user from all teams, it would just delete it from that team. And if you'd like to delete a team you do the same, but you can't delete a team if there's users within it, so you need to delete all the users out of that team first, and then you select the team, press delete team or user. Again it will give you a blue bar just to make sure you're sure, and then you press yes and that team will disappear. I hope this helps.